So, good morning, everybody. Myself, Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm going to discuss some concept of optimal physics worksheets, basically for JEE Main and NEET exam. So, let's begin with things. So, here I'm to explain optimal physics worksheets, which I have codenamed as OPW. Let's begin with the first question. What is use of all this? So, first is it saves your time and energy. As you might be knowing these days that information is abundant. There are thousands of books available on each single topic of your preparation of JEE and NEET. But out of them, what is the optimized information which is significant and which is the basis of most of the questions asked in the exam? So these worksheets are designed just to make sure that you just practice only the required information and avoiding any extra information which is of no use as per the exam is concerned. So it saves you precious time and energy. Now related to this, I'll say that there are about 6,000 A4 pages as per your exam is concerned, but out of these only 25 to 30 pages are significant. That is only 1 out of 200 pages are significant. So this is based on the probability. So that is how things are explained. Next is it is designed on PYQ analysis. So each worksheet is based on analyzing the PYQs in previous, let's say 40 or 35 years, so that you have an idea of how questions are being made, and the examiner design questions on the basis of what. It's basically like recording the pattern used by the examiner to set the exams, so that you just prepare according to that pattern. Next is it contains only the relevant information, as I already said. Next is here focus is on three things: facts, concepts and tricks. Next is it is concise and comprehensive. Next is level wise problems are given, then it includes NCERT points and includes PYQs. So these are some of the silent features of optimal physics worksheets. Now let's begin about a sample problem on that. So let's see a topic: speed. So there are certain facts related to speed. So the first fact is rate of distance traveled with respect to time. Speed is nothing but the rate of distance traveled with respect to time, which say that 20 km per hour or 10 meter per second. So that shows that in 1 unit time how much distance you travel, which is the basic definition of speed. Next is it is a scalar quantity, dimension being m0 l1 t minus 1, SI unit meter per second, CG is centimeter per second, other units are kilometer per hour, and 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second, or 1 meter per second is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Speed can be categorized as average and instantaneous. Average speed is distance traveled by time taken, whereas instantaneous is the magnitude of instantaneous velocity. So these are the basic facts related to speed, which you must memorize, as they are the facts, so you cannot think on them in a lot of ways. There are concepts involved over here. So the first concept is, if we are given xt graph, then how to find speed from that. So we know that velocity is equal to differentiation of dx by dt, which is slope of tangent of xt graph, which is equal to tan theta. Now speed is a magnitude of velocity. I'm referring here to instantaneous speed, which is mod of tan theta. So it may be tan theta when theta is acute, and it may be minus of tan theta when theta is obtuse. So that is first concept related to the speed. Next is another concept may be that velocity time graph is given and you have to draw the speed time graph. So just take the magnitude, take the positive value, and if v is negative, then take its reflection to make it positive. So that will be the speed time graph. Next is let's take a question. Suppose position is given as a function of time. So we know that velocity is differentiation of that, or f dash t. Then speed is magnitude of velocity, or mod dx by dt, or mod f dash t. You take example, suppose x is sin t, then velocity is dx by dt, d by dt of sin t, that will be cos t. Mod v will be mod of cos t. If we draw xt graph, it will be like this. V obviously is cos t, so graph of cos is like this, and mod v is just like this. So we can see that x is maximum at pi by 2, minimum at 3 pi by 2. V is maximum at 0 and minimum at pi, where mod v is maximum at 0 and minimum at pi by 2. So these are the analysis which can be made from these. So these are the use of optimal worksheets which are designed to help you optimize your time and energy. I shall soon be uploading the proper videos for corresponding topics, so that you can have a better idea of things. I hope these worksheets will improve your problem solving skills and will save your precious time and energy to help you achieve big in your JEE main and NEET. Thank you and have a nice day.